Hello friends, this is Anupam and welcome to my channel The Agriculturist. Today we are going to talk about extension. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe my channel The Agriculturist and press the bell icon so that you can get the latest notifications of my new videos. So you might have listened word extension but you are not visualizing this word as a discipline or as a profession. So you might have gone through this word in the context of area extension or extension electric board or an file extension in the case of computer, but it is different. But it is different what you are carrying in your mind, right? So it is different as it is because it is a model of service, or it is a profession, or it is a discipline. So let us come to know what is the actual or literal meaning of an word extension. So the word extension derives from the Latin root, which is ex means out and tension means to stretch. So suppose we are stretching out from an academic institution or an research institution. So what we have to stretch? So obviously it is in the form of information or the technology. So where we have to stretch? So we have to stretch in the needs for the society or the end users of society, right? So this is the actual meaning of an word extension. So around 1850, discussion began in the two ancient universities, that is Oxford and Cambridge, about how they could serve the educational needs near to their homes of the rapidly growing population in the industrial urban area. So they are very worried about how they could serve the educational needs of their urban or rural people, right? So they have started the series of lecture, so in which they used to simplify. What they simplify the complex scientific research. They used to simplify complex scientific research in a simple way so that it can be used as for the urban or rural people of their area. So it can be very useful for their areas man or where they are targeting for, right? So and they gave that term, that is university extension, the term that is known as extension, which is written here. So it was not until 1867 that the first practical attempt was made in what was designated as a university extension, but the activity developed quickly to become a well established movement before the end of the century, right? So the term extension has a root from the England in 1860 and Cambridge University, Oxford and Cambridge University, as I previously told you. In 1873, Cambridge University used the term extension education. Now, what is the difference between extension and extension education? So, according to Rowling 1982, extension means the actual work done by extension agent at the various level of management. So, they are talking about the service model or a service component in this, right? So the actual work done by means the service which is given by the extension worker or something like that, right? Next is education. Education refers to the process of bringing desirable change in the behavior of an individual. So this education comes under extension. This education comes under extension, or it is a very large ocean. If we talk about education, so it is a very big ocean. So it is the process of bringing the desirable changes in the behavior of an individual, right? Next, extension education refers to the body of knowledge connecting to the work practice. So it is a body of knowledge that we connect with the by practicing agriculture extension education, which aims to extending the scientific knowledge of agriculture to the farming community. So it is the process by which we increase which aims to increase the scientific knowledge of an farming community. So by this process we are increasing the scientific knowledge of an farming community, right? Now next thing, discipline of extension education. Suppose in all this discipline extension is same, but the department is changed in which you are expert. So suppose you are expert in agriculture, so it is known as agriculture extensionist, or you are in a veterinary extension, so you are a veterinary extensionist, or you are good in or expert in home science extension, so you are a home science extensionist, and like this so on. So why extension? Next question arrives, why extension? So here one sentence came, you cannot use yesterday techniques today and be in the business of tomorrow. So let us explain you this sentence. Suppose you are growing rice with the traditional techniques and you are not getting that much of profit, right? So suppose one extension worker came to you and tell you about the latest scientific technology. So and you are getting your proper profit and knowledge about that growing of rice and modern techniques. So though, so that by that technique you can growing rice very easily and survive for the next uh, tomorrow's business, for the next coming years, right? So at that point the extension is required, right? Now the next thing, country meaning of the term extension including India. So in the Dutch it can be said that voorlichting, Malaysia is showing torch, UK advisory work, Germany enlightenment, USA education, Austria furthering, Korea rural guidance, France vulgarization, Spain capacitation, and India technology transfer or transfer of technology. So these are the words which means extension in the different countries. So now let's conclude this. So extension is the science of making people innovative, that's right, because by with the help of education, extension education, we improve in their knowledge and making them innovative. Extension deals with the people knowledge and resources. It is also right, extension deal with the people's knowledge what they have and their resources, the resources they have and the knowledge they are what they have, their knowledge and the resources encompasses all aspects of life. So it is not just for the specific man or a woman, or but it is for the whole community or for the uh, whole entire your life. It is about entire life of yours, right? So emphasizes on the behavioral changes of target communities. So it is not for the specific, that as I previously told you, that emphasizes on the behavioral changes of target communities. So we can changes the on the behavior of an individual with the education, or desirable changes what we want that they should have, right? So this is all about the extension. hope I hope that you understand all what I have given you. So we will meet you in the next video. If you have any query, you can comment me in the comment box, or if you want this PDF, so I can provide you. So if you want this, so you can mail your email ID in the comment box, I will provide you. So we will meet you in the next video. Till then, have a nice day. Bye bye. Stay safe from COVID-19. Thank you.